Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. It's, hey Gmo, what's for supper? I'm going to tell you what's for supper. Y'all, there is a place that we love to eat when we go to a workplace, and y'all, it is our most favorite place to eat. It is an Italian place, and I mean, they fix authentic Italian food. They make their own pasta right there in the kitchen. They make their own pasta sauce right there in the kitchen. Their own pizzas in the kitchen. So I'm going to try to copycat one of their dishes tonight. And y'all, we also love Olive Garden too. It's one of our favorite places to eat. And we love Manicotti. So y'all just hold tight. We're going to get this bill to go in here. Some of it I may have to talk you through it because some of it I don't have a place to put the camera to watch me do it because I'm limited for space over here on this little counter, y'all. So a lot of it I'm going to have to talk you through it. But once I get it done, I'll let you see each one of the stages, and then we're going to plate this baby up. Y'all know that little thing we do at the end. We taste test, okay? So y'all just come along with me in the kitchen, okay? Okay, y'all, the two things that I've got done so far, I've just boiled my manicotti noodles, y'all. I got them from the store. I just boiled my noodles. Let me give you a little tip when you're boiling manicotti noodles. Is it manicotti noodles? Okay, let me give you a little tip. They come packaged in these little things for a reason, so they don't break. Because manicotti is stuffed on the inside, okay? So, let me give you a tip. When you're boiling manicotti noodles, you want to get them al dente, still a little firm, still a little soft, because you're going to want to pick them up after they've cooled off, drained and cooled off, to where you can open them up and stuff them. Okay, and you don't want them breaking open while you're trying to stuff them. So just get them al dente where they're still a little firm, still a little soft, but pliable, and they don't break on you when you're trying to stuff them. And then I have already got my, I'm using some Italian sausage, and I just added some minced garlic, cream cheese, Italian seasoning, oregano, and Italian sausage. I just browned it up first, then I put the remaining ingredients in it, and now I've got my meat filling mixture. Now, there's a lot of ways you can stuff manicotti, y'all. You can use a spoon very carefully, or if you have a piping bag, cut your if you're going to squeeze meat mixture inside these manicotti noodles, you can use a Ziploc bag or a piping bag. Cut the corner, squeeze it all down into the corner of a Ziploc bag, cut the bottom, the cone point end at the bottom, cut it kind of wide so that way your meat mixture will be able to squirt through the bag, okay? The bigger the hole you want for coarse mixtures like with meat. If you're doing like a soft cheese or something, like a ricotta or a cream cheese or something like that, your hole doesn't have to be that big, okay? So I'm not going to be able to show y'all how I'm going to pipe these into the manicotti noodles because y'all, I don't have the space over here, okay? I've got my little assembly space right here, and I've got to use every square inch of space that I've got. So that's what I'm going to do next, is be piping my meat mixture very carefully inside the manicotti noodles. Then we'll get to the next step, okay? So y'all get that done and catch up with me, okay? Oh, y'all, that was a job. Just a tip, okay? Boil all your noodles or boil extra noodles because you are going to have some that's going to try to split on you, okay? And some did. If that happens, just open it up, so go down the split, open it up, and then just put your filling in there and then just roll it up like a burrito. That's all you gotta do. Don't freak out if you start having them to split on you and throw them out. Just go ahead and finish splitting it, put it in there like a burrito, roll it up, and then put it in your casserole dish. So this is what I've got done so far. Oh, sorry, my finger was in the way. All right, I've got him three, and me three. Y'all, this is probably all we're going to be able to handle. I had some extras left over. See, one split on me. I had some extras left over where he can take supper to work one day with him and, eat it before he gets home. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pour some more sauce on top of each one of these. Just like this. I'm going to make sure I get even amounts on each one so that way I've got enough. Okay? And then, let me finish that right quick because I need both hands, y'all. Then we're going to take some shredded mozzarella and put on top of that. And then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, y'all, I got that step done. Here's what they look like. Now, this one right here that's extra that he's going to take to work with him, I can't put this one in the air fryer, which is what I'm fixing to do to these to bubble up the cheese and get it nice and crispy or melted. This one, he can put this in the microwave before he sits down to eat it. And this is a good way, y'all, to meal prep. This is a good way to meal prep, y'all. All you got to do is prep you some meals, put them in freezer, microwave safe containers. And like that one, y'all, you can stuff these in your lunch boxes, or if you work the night shift, you can stuff them in your lunch box to have for supper. Throw them in the microwave, heat them up, sit down and eat your supper at work. Whatever, okay? Y'all, I used to work at a hospital, and there for a while before I could get on day shift, I had to work night shift. I meal prepped, and I took leftovers from the night before, and I packed my lunch every night, and I packed my supper. When it was my supper time, I had my supper right there. I could heat it up in the microwave, in the cafeteria, sit down and eat, y'all. So simple. Do you some meal preps like this, y'all, and you can either just make enough for the week to get you through the week, and you can do it on a weekly basis, or, y'all, the freezer meal prep containers, take you a day, batch cook you some things, and put them into those individual freezer boxes. Meal prep for meals for later. Put them in the freezer. You're welcome. I'm fixing to get these in the air fryer and melt that cheese on top, y'all. And we'll see how it looks. I'm going in, Mom. All right, y'all. Into the air fryer it goes. I'm going to just do like 325. Nope, that wasn't. I'm just going to do like 325, and then just for like 6 minutes, and then I'm going to check it. All right, y'all, here's mine already finished. Y'all, you can also do a little extra and put a little Parmesan cheese on top, but y'all, I think this looks scrumptious just as it is. All right, so now we're going to do that taste test. All right, y'all ready for this? Oh, y'all, it's got that it's got that string from that mozzarella cheese. Look at this, y'all. If I don't drop it, look at that. Let me turn it around very carefully so you can see all that cheesy goodness. Okay, here we go. I'm sorry, y'all, there's work going on out here. Y'all, that turned out awesome. That turned out awesome. Y'all, y'all hold on a second till this noise stops. Y'all, they're doing renovations where we're staying, and we didn't know that when we got here, but it's okay. It looks like they locked the trailers down there where they're putting old furniture in and gonna haul it off. And it looks like they locked them and didn't have the keys, and they're having to cut the locks off with a little bandsaw. or a whatever you call it and beat the locks off. So it looks like they locked themselves out. They didn't find the key or something. Anyway, getting back to this meal. Y'all, that is scrumptious. I know y'all can make this. Just the tedious part was just filling the manicotti noodles, y'all. That's all. That was the most tedious part. But this was so easy to come together, and I love my silicone liners in this air fryer. I'm going to purchase me 2 more to go in my air fryer at home and my microwave at home, okay? Because y'all, these things have made my meal planning and ideas for meals and things for us that's different to eat that otherwise I wouldn't be able to make in my air fryer or the microwave. This has been a game changer for us, and I'm loving these right here. All I do, y'all, is when I take them out of the air fryer, I will take the whole thing out and put it on a plate. Okay, to where that way we're not touching it, we don't burn ourselves or anything like that, and we can eat it just like that. And y'all, if we have any that we don't finish, we can just throw some aluminum foil over it and put it in the refrigerator, and then take it out and then put it in the microwave. That's all, y'all. Y'all are gonna enjoy this. Go make this meal. Don't be scared. I got faith in you. You can do this. Go make it and enjoy it for you and your family. I will catch y'all in the next one.